My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA 4th semester subject Logistics and Supply Chain Management as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Preparation tips. Short questions: prepare crisp definitions plus one real-life example, Flipkart, Amazon, Zomato, etc. Long questions follow structure, intro, key points, example, conclusion. Use diagrams or tables for answers like transportation formats or planning steps. Watch Abed Sir's YouTube videos for simplified explanations and exam-specific keywords. Unit 2. First important short question is Inbound Logistics. Inbound logistics means the process of receiving, handling, and storing raw materials, parts, or goods from suppliers to the company. It is the first stage of the logistics process and is very important in manufacturing and production. Key activities in inbound logistics: selecting suppliers, transporting materials, unloading and inspecting goods, storing in warehouse, managing inventory. Simple example: a mobile phone company like Samsung needs screens, batteries, and chips. Inbound logistics brings these parts from different suppliers to Samsung's factory. Only after this, production can start. In simple words, inbound logistics is like bringing ingredients to the kitchen before cooking. If the ingredients don't come on time, the product gets delayed. No material, no product. That's why inbound logistics is key to success. Next important short question is 2. Outbound logistics. Outbound logistics refers to the process of moving finished goods from the company to the final customer or retailer. It is the last step in the logistics process and focuses on delivery, distribution, and customer satisfaction. Key activities in outbound logistics: order processing, packing and labeling, transportation and shipping, delivery tracking, customer support after delivery. Simple example: when you buy a mobile from Flipkart, outbound logistics handles picking the product from the warehouse, packing it safely, shipping it to your home. This ensures the customer gets the right product at the right time. In simple words, outbound logistics is like the delivery guy bringing your order from the company to your door. Good outbound logistics is equal to happy customers is equal to more business. Next important short question is 3. Reverse logistics. Reverse logistics is the process of moving goods from the customer back to the company. This happens when products are returned, repaired, recycled, or reused. It is the opposite of normal delivery. Key activities in reverse logistics: product returns from customers, repair and servicing, recycling or disposal, exchange or refund process, reuse of packaging materials. Simple example: if you buy shoes from Amazon and they don't fit, you send them back. Amazon's system that picks up the product, checks it, and refunds the money is called reverse logistics. In simple words, reverse logistics is like a U-turn for goods. Instead of going to the customer, the product comes back to the company. A smart company doesn't just deliver products, it also handles returns smoothly. Next important short question is 4. Integrated logistics management. Integrated logistics management means combining all logistics activities into one smooth system to work better and faster. It connects inbound logistics, outbound logistics, transportation, warehousing, inventory, and customer service, so that every part works together. Why it's important? Reduces confusion and delays. Improves coordination between departments. Saves time and money. Gives better customer satisfaction. Simple example. A company like Big Basket uses integrated logistics. It connects supplier deliveries, inbound, warehouse storage, order packing, and home delivery, outbound, all in one digital system. So, every team knows what to do and when to do it. In simple words, integrated logistics is like a well-rehearsed orchestra. All sections play in sync to make beautiful music. One team, one system, one goal, that's integrated logistics. Next important short question is 5. Transportation formats. Transportation formats are the different modes used to move goods from one place to another in logistics. Choosing the right format depends on speed, cost, distance, and type of goods. Main transportation formats. 1. Roadways, trucks, ones, best for short to medium distances. 2. Railways, trains, good for heavy goods across long distances. 3. Airways, planes, fastest but expensive, used for urgent or light goods. 4. Waterways, ships, cheap for international and bulky cargo. 5. Pipelines, for liquids like oil and gas, safe and continuous. Simple example. Flipkart uses road transport for most deliveries. Oil companies use pipelines to move petrol across states. Amazon uses air cargo to deliver urgent packages quickly. In simple words, transportation formats are like different roads to reach the customer. Each has its own speed, cost, and purpose. Right format is equal to faster delivery plus lower cost plus happy customer. Next unit 2. Long questions. First important long question is 1. Explain inbound and outbound logistics. Inbound logistics, goods coming in. Inbound logistics refers to the process of bringing raw materials, parts, or goods from suppliers to the company. It is the first stage of the logistics process and focuses on receiving and storing the inputs needed for production. Activities in inbound logistics. Selecting suppliers. Transportation of raw materials. Receiving and inspecting goods. Warehousing and inventory management. Example. A car company like Maruti Suzuki gets tires, engines, and seats from different suppliers. Bringing these parts to the factory is inbound logistics. Outbound logistics, goods going out. Outbound logistics deals with the movement of finished products from the company to customers or retailers. It focuses on delivery, distribution, and customer satisfaction. Activities in outbound logistics. Order processing. Packaging and labeling. Transportation to the customer. Delivery tracking and returns. Example. When a customer buys a phone from Flipkart, the picking, packing, shipping, and delivery is handled by outbound logistics. Key difference between inbound and outbound logistics. Point: inbound logistics, outbound logistics. Flow direction from suppliers to company, from company to customers. Purpose: to supply materials for production to deliver finished goods. Focus: receiving, storing, and managing inputs, packing, transporting, and delivering goods. In simple words, inbound is like bringing ingredients to the kitchen. Outbound is like serving the cooked food to customers. Without inbound, production stops. Without outbound, sales stop. Both are equally important for success in logistics. Next important long question is 2. Reverse logistics. Reverse logistics is the process of moving goods from the customer back to the company. It is the opposite of normal logistics, where products go from the company to the customer. In reverse logistics, the flow is backward, like returns, repairs, recycling, or replacement. Why reverse logistics is important? To manage product returns. To provide customer service, refunds, replacements. To repair or refurbish damaged goods. To recycle packaging and used products. To reduce waste and improve sustainability. Common activities in reverse logistics. 1. Product returns, items sent back due to size issues, damage, or wrong delivery. 2. Repair services, fixing defective items under warranty. 3. Refurbishment, cleaning and reselling returned products. 4. Recycling, safe disposal or reuse of materials. 5. Recall management, calling back unsafe products from the market. Simple example. Suppose you buy shoes from Amazon, but the size is wrong. You return the shoes and get a refund. Amazon's system of picking up the product, inspecting it, and processing the refund is part of reverse logistics. Similarly, mobile companies collect old phones under exchange offers. These old phones are repaired, recycled, or resold, all handled through reverse logistics. Key benefits of reverse logistics. Increases customer trust. Reduces environmental damage. Recovers lost value from returned goods. Builds a green image for the company. Makes operations more efficient. In simple words, reverse logistics is like a return journey for goods. It helps the company handle returns, repairs, and recycling smartly. Forward logistics makes the sale. Reverse logistics keeps the customer happy. Next important long question is 3. Integrated logistics management, merits and demerits. Integrated logistics management means managing all parts of logistics like inbound, outbound, transportation, warehousing, inventory, and customer service in one connected system. Instead of working in separate departments, everything is planned and controlled together. The aim is to improve efficiency, speed, and customer satisfaction. Simple example. Imagine a company like Big Basket. It uses an integrated logistics system that connects suppliers inbound, warehouse, delivery staff outbound, inventory tracking, mobile app orders. All departments share real-time information, so deliveries are faster, smoother, and cheaper. Merits, advantages of integrated logistics management. 1. Better coordination. All teams work together, reducing confusion and delays. 2. Cost saving. Saves money by reducing wastage, errors, and extra transport. 3. Faster delivery. Goods move quickly from supplier to customer. 4. Improved customer satisfaction. On-time delivery and accurate orders keep customers happy. 5. Real-time tracking. Technology helps track goods, trucks, and orders easily. 6. Better decision-making. Shared data helps managers plan and respond quickly. Demerits, disadvantages of integrated logistics management. 1. High setup cost. Needs investment in software, training, and systems. 2. Complexity. Managing everything in one system can become difficult. 3. Technology dependence. If the system fails, like server crash, everything stops. 4. Resistance to change. Employees may resist new systems or processes. In simple words, integrated logistics is like a cricket team. If all players, departments, play together, the match is won easily. one system, one goal, deliver better and faster. Next important long question is 4. Logistics planning and strategy steps. Logistics planning and strategy means deciding in advance how to move goods from the company to the customer in the best, fastest, and cheapest way. It includes making smart decisions about transport, storage, packaging, suppliers, and delivery. A good logistics strategy helps in reducing cost, speeding up delivery, and increasing customer satisfaction. Simple example. A company like DMart uses logistics planning to decide from where to buy products, how to transport them, where to store them, how to deliver to stores on time. Steps in logistics planning and strategy. 1. Set clear goals. Decide what you want: fast delivery, low cost, or high customer service. 2. Understand customer needs. Find out what your customers expect: one-day delivery, low prices, etc. 3. Analyze current logistics system. Check what is working well and what needs improvement. 4. Choose the right transportation and warehousing. Pick suitable transport modes: truck, train, air, and storage locations. 5. Use technology. Use software for tracking, inventory, and order management like GPS, ERP, barcodes. 6. Plan for risks. Prepare for problems like delays, fuel price hikes, or strikes. 7. Monitor and improve. Regularly check the results and make changes to improve efficiency. Simple chart for easy memory. Step No. Planning stage example. 1. Set goals: 24-hour delivery target. 2. Understand customer: Flipkart, fast plus safe delivery. 3. Analyze current system: delay in packing. Improve team speed. 4. Choose transport and warehouse: use trains for bulk, trucks for retail. 5. Use technology: GPS tracking, barcode scanners. 6. Plan for risks: backup vehicles during festivals. 7. Monitor and improve: monthly performance review. In simple words, logistics strategy is like planning a road trip. You choose the best route, vehicle, stops, and backup plans to reach your destination on time. Good planning in logistics is equal to happy customers plus more profits. Next important long question is 5 factors influencing the choice of transportation in logistics. Transportation plays a big role in moving goods from suppliers to companies and from companies to customers. Choosing the right type of transportation is very important in logistics. There is no one-size-fits-all. The best mode depends on cost, speed, product type, and distance. Main factors that influence the choice of transportation. 1. Cost of transportation. If the budget is low, companies prefer road or rail, which are cheaper than air. Example, Kirana shops use trucks instead of air cargo. 2. Speed of delivery. If the delivery is urgent, air transport is preferred. Example, Amazon uses air for fast prime deliveries. 3. Distance to be covered. Long distance and international transport is better handled by ships or planes, while road is good for short distances. Example, oil is transported by sea between countries. 4. Nature of goods. Perishable goods, like fruits or medicines, need fast and safe delivery, so air or refrigerated trucks are used. Example, dairy companies use cold ones for milk. 5. Quantity volume of goods. For bulk or heavy goods, rail and ships are preferred as they carry more at a lower cost. Example, coal, cement, or oil use railways and pipelines. 6. Reliability and safety. Valuable or delicate goods need safe and reliable options like air or secure road transport. Example, electronics or jewelry often travel by air. 7. Geographical conditions. Hilly or rural areas may only be accessible by road. Example, goods going to Himalayan regions are sent by trucks. In simple words, choosing transport is like choosing the best ride, bus, train, flight, or ship depending on where you are going, what you are carrying, and how fast you need to reach. Right transport is equal to right time plus right cost plus right condition. Thank you for watching. For other subject important questions, quick revisions, recent question papers, syllabus, and all academic updates, separate links are provided in the description. Make sure to check them out.